Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've always wanted to organize your notes in Notion but weren't sure quite where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to quickly set up a professional-looking notes database using Notion's free template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a polished notes workspace ready to go, but you'll also understand how to make it your own, saving time and boosting your productivity, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves keeping life a little more organized. Let's jump in. We're going to use one of Notion's built-in templates to speed up the process and start off with a solid structure. The real beauty of these templates is that they're pre-designed with a clean, professional aesthetic, so you spend less time tinkering and more time actually writing your notes. Plus, don't worry, you can personalize and customize everything later so it truly fits your style and workflow. First things first, let's open up Notion. At the top left of your screen, you'll spot a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to so many built-in features. Click that drop-down. From here, look for the More options. Sometimes it's easy to miss if you're just starting with Notion, so take a moment to find it. Once you've clicked into those options, you'll see a section called Browse Templates. This is where Notion keeps a whole library of ready-made pages and databases that you can use as starting points. Now comes the fun part, searching for the Notes Database template. In the template browser, you'll see a search bar. Type in Notes Database, and you'll be presented with a few choices, each slightly different in layout or design. Take a minute to look through them. Maybe you want something minimal, or maybe you love seeing creative icons. Whatever fits your vibe best, go ahead and select it. This part is a little like shopping for a new planner. The layout you choose can help set the tone for how you engage with your notes day to day. Once you've found a Notes Database template you like, just click Add. Don't worry if you change your mind later or if you're curious to try out more than one template. Notion is super flexible, so you can always start over or tweak your database at any time. All right, your template is now loaded right into your workspace. You'll see fields for your note titles, categories, dates, even tags. These are all designed to help you keep everything organized. If you want to start immediately, you can begin adding your own credentials or creative ideas right in these spaces. Maybe you want to track lecture notes, jot down brainstorms for future projects, or manage client call summaries. All you do is click into a new entry and start typing. It's quick, intuitive, and honestly kind of satisfying when everything snaps into place. But here's the real magic. You can customize pretty much every part of your notes database. Change the colors to suit your mood, add cover images, swap out icons, edit categories, or even create your own properties. This is where your personality comes into play. You get to transform the template into a workspace that actually feels like yours. If you feel a little overwhelmed by all the customization options, take it slow. You can always experiment and undo changes if something doesn't look quite right. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from a blank Notion page to a full-featured notes database, ready to help you organize, create, and thrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share your own Notion tips, please drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more productivity hacks and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.